Wood frogs freeze solid in winter and thaw in spring alive. Would you survive one night where these animals live? Comment below. Reindeer can see UV light in the snow. Arctic woolly bear moths survive -70°F by freezing for years. Antarctic fish have antifreeze proteins in their blood. Some turtles breathe through their butts while underwater in winter. Emperor penguins huddle to survive -100°F winds. Polar bears have black skin to absorb heat. Musk oxen grow underwool finer than cashmere. Arctic foxes change fur color for camouflage.